This is Alard, item Y4677. It's a REITZ open screw blancher. It is a model TL-12-K2212. It's a 12-inch diameter by 12-inch long screw. It has 10 live steam bottom injection ports. It came in plumbed for only 8. The 2 at the infeed end are not connected. This one is capped off just for safety's sake. All the, I don't know if you can see under there, but obviously the, well, where is it here? You know, all the steam inlets and everything are in good shape. I'm looking for more. There's one. You know, everything is as it should be. It has an open discharge here from the bottom at the end with the steam stack here. It is, of course, all stainless steel. Has hinge covers and has a 1.5 horsepower gear motor drive, obviously mechanical variable speed, which is geared down pretty good for slow operation. So we're going to show this running. Nice drive on it. Okay. Ducky friends arriving all gently cooked and undamaged, or they would be cooked if we were shooting live steam in here, but we're not. No ducks were actually cooked at the making of this video. So obviously we had the covers up so you could see what was going on in there, and the covers bolt down for safety. It would be unsafe for you to operate this, obviously, with the cover open with live steam blasting out of it. So the covers very simply are tapped and died and bolt down for safety. So that is pretty much it. That is our Alard item Y4677 REITZ open screw blancher. If you have any questions about this item, what it's good for, what it's not good for, what it can do, what it can't do, please give us a call at 315-589-4511. And again, this is Alard item Y4677. A REITZ TL-12-K2212 open screw blanching machine, available in very good operational condition, excellent operational, mechanical, cosmetic, and electrical condition, available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment in Williamson, New York.